going on, guys? We're at the 2019 Turkey Derby here at our house in New Jersey. This is our 5th year doing this, 3rd year with quads. We got a lot more entries this year, a couple more people that are new to the entry list. This is the biggest list we've had of riders. We have a Bike Pro, Quad Pro, Bike B, and a Quad B, and we added a vet class for the, in quotes, older guys that wanted a class last year, so gave them a class. Really lucked out with the weather this year. Rained a little bit yesterday, and perfect weather today, 50 degrees and sunny. Huge shout out to CST Tires for sponsoring this event for the 2nd year in a row, as well as Ocean County's Power Sports for bringing their whole setup out. Couldn't ask for a better day of weather again, so everyone's just blowing away the track right now. Just my goal here is to let everyone have a good time and be safe at the end of the day, eat a lot of good food, and leave here with a smile.
guys don't mess around. It's intimidating. I got on the track and was like, same for me. GennUSA did plant me some trees though. I don't know if you saw that. There's like 6 pine trees. So thanks GennUSA. I appreciate it. Actually Johnny. I got to beat Johnny Gallagher first, and then you work your way up the PA pack. But out of the 8 qualifying spots, the boys from Joe's Auto Parts we took 6 to 8. So I rode with them yesterday. I feel like I'm a small part of the pack now. So I still want to be at the top of that pack though.
We're taking an intermission right now, eating some food, getting prepped up for the big main events coming up soon. I'm not sure exactly which one's up first, but I don't know, me and Nick had a good battle the first heat race. Honestly, I let him have it, but I think the main will be interesting. It's 10 laps. He's probably gonna get a little tired, so that's what I'll look forward to.
I'm prepping right now. Doesn't even know. Let me have it. I don't know. All right, guys, we're wrapping up the 2019 Turkey Derby. Awesome day today. I can't even complain at all. Amazing weather, awesome battles all day. I can't even say enough. I won the quad, I won the bike. Coincidentally, I actually never won the bike before, and I was really, I don't want to say I was more happy about that, but I've raced this every year on the dirt bike and never won it. So, hey, come here for a sec, Joel. Big shout out to this guy. He came all the way from Pennsylvania for the 3rd year in a row. He's supporting the event, so I want to thank you, and hopefully he's on a new bike next year.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll come a little more prepared next year, and as always, having fun on the 90. And thanks to GennUSA family for putting it on. We'll definitely be back.
He'll be back. Big shout out to CST Tires for sponsoring the event, and Ocean Canyon Power Sports for making an awesome appearance today. They put on a nice little presentation, the side-by-sides and stuff, so that was really cool. And look, people are still going back out. We're trying to wrap up, but again, we had an awesome day and I can't complain. Perfect weather. Thanks, everyone.